If you're working with a large Excel file that contains multiple sheets, you have the flexibility to choose whether to print only the active sheets, a specific selection, or the entire workbook. In this video, we will show you how to print only the specific content you need from an Excel file on your Windows PC. To print only the current active sheet in Excel, first make sure the Sheet tab you want to print is selected. It will appear bolded to indicate it's active. Next, go to File, Print, or simply press CTRL+P. Choose your desired printer, and under Settings, make sure Print Active Sheets is selected. Depending on the content size, you can choose either portrait or landscape orientation to best fit the data on the page. The print preview on the right side of the screen lets you see exactly how your content will appear when printed, allowing you to adjust your settings as needed for the best layout and formatting. If needed, you can also enter a specific page range to print only certain pages from the active sheet. Once you have finalized your settings, click Print to print just the active worksheet. Instead of printing a single sheet, you can also print multiple sheets together by selecting them as active sheets. To do this, hold down the Ctrl key and click on each sheet tab you want to include. Once selected, the tabs will be highlighted in bold, indicating they are active. Next, go to File, then Print, or press Ctrl+P. Under Settings, select Print Active Sheets and adjust other print settings as needed. The print preview on the right side of the screen shows exactly how your content will appear when printed, making it easy to adjust your settings for the best layout and formatting. In the preview, you'll notice that all pages from the selected active sheets are included. Once you're happy with the setup, click Print to print only the active sheets you selected. If you're working with a larger sheet, you can choose to print only specific content by selecting a cell range instead of printing the entire sheet. Once you have highlighted the desired range, go to File and then Print. Under Settings, choose Print Selection, and use the print preview to make sure only the selected content is displayed. When everything looks good, click Print to print just the selected range, helping you save paper and avoid printing unnecessary data. To print all the sheets in a workbook, select Print Entire Workbook under the Print Settings menu. Before printing, be sure to preview the content to confirm whether you really need to print everything. For example, in this case, the workbook generates over 40 pages when using landscape orientation. If your workbook contains many sheets, printing the entire file can take time and consume a lot of paper. Once you're sure, click Print to proceed with printing the entire workbook. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. It really helps the channel grow. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our future videos. We have got plenty more awesome content coming your way. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, let us know what you think about this video, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be responding to your comments, so let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.